Hi and welcome back to my channel. So one video that I've been meaning to do for such a long time is how to style Jordan 1s. The reason why I haven't done this video is because your girl didn't own any Jordan 1s until now. I just got my first pair. So anyone that's tried to get a pair of Jordan 1s over like the last couple years, it is a mission to get them. It is literally impossible to get them retail price, and they are so expensive resale, and I'm like, I'm not gonna pay $500 for a pair of sneakers I'm gonna wear, love, and probably ruin like I do with all my pairs of sneakers. But I'm a huge sneakerhead, so if I had all the money in the world, I would have a million other pairs. But I'm so happy that I got literally my favorite pair that I could have thought of. Like, I don't even have FOMO over any other pair of Jordan 1s. Like, these ones are beautiful, so I will show them to you guys. They are these stadium green Jordan 1s, and I love the color green. I think they're such a nice pop of color. I like the black laces and the little contrast. So they have this little foam material on the inside that they're actually super supportive and cushiony, and not that anyone's gonna see it, but I love the lime green highlight on the inside. So I hope you guys enjoy this styling video, and I hope you guys get some inspiration on how to style sneakers. So if you're not a sneaker gal, I am trying to put you on to becoming a sneaker gal. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first outfit, I love it because it's really cute and put together, casual, but also like hypey. I have this white halter top from Princess Polly paired with these jeans from Denim Forum. I got them from Aritzia. I wish they were a little bit longer and a little bit baggier so that you could see them going down the ankle a little bit more, but you can see how they slouch right in the front. I think the green just adds such a nice like pop of color for the spring, and the white just matches with the top, and the black laces just match with the headband. So this is the first way that I would style them. Okay, so this next outfit I love. One, because it's one of those outfits that's still like really comfortable and casual, but you can wear it out to a really nice dinner as well. Just because the top is a leather top, and I got this one from Aritzia, and the jeans are from Zara, and I really like these Zara jeans just because of how long they are. You can compare them to the last pair of jeans I was wearing. These ones are much longer and they go closer to the ground, and I think with high top sneakers like these, they just slouch really well in comparison to something that's a little bit more cropped or that's like ankle length. And so I love this outfit. I think it's such a cute outfit. I'm not a huge color person, but recently I've been trying to branch out, and I fell in love with this tank top from Zara. One, because it's so inexpensive. For like $15, I think it's such a great quality of top. And one thing that I thought that was interesting with this top is that they took a really interesting spin on your average racer back ribbed tank top, and just the neckline from the top is just so flattering. And the reason why I have them paired with these green sneakers, I thought it was really interesting, is if you look closely at the tag, it's quite hidden. You have the same lime green colored tag that matches this tank top. It's a really subtle detail, but I thought it was such a great way to pair like two different types of greens together with these pair of sneakers. And I'm just wearing the same jeans that I had before. The next outfit is a bit more of like a loungy outfit, and basically what I did was I didn't have a black tube top bodysuit, so I just ended up taking one of my Aritzia bodysuits. You can either wear like just the one shoulder, or personally I like this fit to be with the actual like tube top straight across, and I have them paired with these straight leg pants. Sweatpants from Aritzia as well. So what I really like about this outfit is that it's still like really casual, so it's really comfortable because you're wearing sweats and just like a tank top, so it's nice for the summer or like those days where it's like kind of cool outside. You can throw a jacket on top of this, and then you just have it paired with a really cool pair of sneakers. I know with baggy sweatpants sometimes it can look like you just rolled out of bed and you weren't put together. I find with wearing really hypey sneakers with a pair of sweats, it makes sweatpants look so much cooler and put together. So for this outfit, I just put on a white t-shirt with the same sweatpants and the same fit. So I feel like this would be my outfit if I'm about to go run out and grab some groceries or just run a few errands and I just want to look really casual, put together, but comfortable at the same time. Wearing matching sets always makes outfits look so put together. So I just paired this little gray bodysuits with, again, the same sweatpants, just as a way to show another variation of something that's comfortable yet cute that you can wear casually or chill at home at, and then just pair with these Jordans. So this is what this outfit looks like. So the last fit is, again, one of my favorite fits with one of my favorite pair of pants. So it wouldn't be a Jordan 1 styling fit if I didn't pair it with my favorite pants, which are these Jordan utility pants that I bought from ASOS. And I think what's so interesting and cool that these particular pants is just the flap that's up top. And I just paired it with a one shoulder sleeve bodysuit. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. That's it for the styling haul. If you guys found any of these fits useful, please do leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.